Hey guys, so we are here in London with the next president of Nigeria. I have never seen such an energetic, such a hardworking human being, very passionate about the cause of Nigeria. Just yesterday, we left Abuja. Today we're in London. Tomorrow we're back to Nigeria, starting off our campaign. Benue is Wednesday this week. Of course, Aba is next on Thursday, and Edo on Friday, and many more. So you guys keep watching, keep seeing. Behold the next president.
I'm traveling with that too.
Yeah, I'm also here with my brother, Gavira Osuji, my man, and the man who is turning 50. We're going to be hitting Port Harcourt on Monday. Ide Akweze, Chief Ikenna Okafo. All right, guys, keep it going. God bless you all. A new Nigeria is possible, and P2B is coming. Thank you.